Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Indahar Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update where I give you some bits and pieces of what's going on with the real estate market locally here in Milpitas area and what you might expect in terms of future value. So stay tuned and we'll discuss that as we go through the video. So 3 topics today. 5 low-cost home improvements that can pay off well for your home. We'll talk about interest rates, where they are today, and what the Fed's decision was last week in terms of raising or lowering interest rates. And then I'll wrap up the video with open houses that I've got scheduled coming for the month of February. Lots of activity. So let's begin with some projects. So the Milpitas Post had a great article that I want to share with you. Hardwood Flooring Finishing or Replacement. So I sell a lot of older homes in Milpitas, and a lot of them have the original hardwood floors. And many times I'm lucky when I get into meet the homeowner, they've had carpet on top of the floors, and the floors are in great condition. So hardwood floors in their original condition are worth a lot of value in the home. We usually take off the carpet and then refinish the hardwood floors, and they are gleaming and they're beautiful. If not, laminate is another flooring that I usually replace on top of the hardwood floors damaged, or we use new carpeting, which you'll see in the 330 North Abbott video when you see the after shots on that one. And then insulation as an upgrade. That's a great value to add, and I put that on the flyer if there's been attic insulation added or the walls that have been insulated. Not prominent in this area, but some homes have the insulation in the subfloor in that subarea. I did sell the home on Shenandoah. They insulated the garage, so it was really nice and warm in there, and nice to work in that garage for the insulation. Thirdly, closet renovation. A lot of my sellers talk about what they did to their closets. They have closet organizers, and there's actually companies that have that do that for a living. Is closet organization. I think Closets by Design might be one. I can't name any off the top of my head right now, but if you Google closet designs, I'm sure you can come up with some places that you can get some costs from, where they add shelving, they add extra containers in there so you can have room for your extra belongings, and then the rails to hang your clothes. So there's a lot of different ways you can organize the closet, make it more efficient, and it certainly is a great asset when you go to sell your home. Thirdly, add upgrade in the laundry area. You know, the laundry area is one area that we easily forget about, and you just spend a lot of time in there if you're near the washer and the dryer and you're folding clothes, or if anybody still irons nowadays, but the laundry area is a nice area to freshen up, nice flooring. It's great to have a sink in there to use for your laundry and mud and shoes and all that. So especially if you're raising a large family, you want to definitely address the laundry area. It's a great area to spruce up. And then paint one interior room. They're talking about colors here. So I do like an accent color, maybe on one wall rather than all the walls. I've seen that done like in a boy's room, that maybe one wall is done blue. In a girl's room that we've staged, we've done one wall in pink. And then the master bedroom can be a muted yellow or a muted green. And it really adds a lot of ambiance to the home. So paint one wall. So those are some ideas. Let's talk about interest rates. So the Fed met last week and decided not to raise interest rates. Well, it looks like they're done raising. We're kind of waiting and holding our breath to see when they're going to lower interest rates. Inflation is under control. I know it's still, things are pricey, but the rate of inflation that it had last year is now definitely under control. So the rates are stayed steady. I got a report this morning that the interest rates for mortgages did tick up a little bit, which I'm a little surprised, but not by much. So they're basically holding. We're looking about 6.5% to even below 6% for some of the fixed and adjustable rate mortgages. So still is a favorable, good time to buy a home. Interest rates are not stopping buyers at all. And then if they get into a property, you can always refinance and drop the rate later. Okay, so let's talk about what we've been doing. I've been really busy getting homes ready. I've got 330 North Abbott Avenue in Milpitas. Open house Saturday, Sunday. That's February 17th and February 18th from 11:30 to 1:30 p.m. Those 2 days, and the price point on that is $1.698888. You'll see the before and after videos on that one. That's a great property, 2196 square feet in the Manor area. Then open house Saturday, Sunday, February 17th and 18th from 2 to 4. I have 2126 Bliss Avenue in Milpitas. That's in the Parktown area. It's in the Senate Elementary School, which is a big driver because it's the top school in Milpitas. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's been remodeled. Beautiful home. We're staging that up this week and next week. And the price point on that is $1,598,888. So looking forward to see what we end up getting for that property. Should be good. Then I listed a duplex in Milpitas. It's tenant occupied, so I've decided that I'm going to hold a 2-hour open house on that one, open to the public and open to agents to show. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath on each side, has a individual garage, an enclosed garage. The front unit's been remodeled. They have separate yards. It's kind of cool, this duplex. You can live in one or maybe rent the other one out, or if you have extended family or relatives or whatever, it really lends itself good for that. The address on this is 520 to 522 Wool Drive, and the open house is scheduled for Sunday, February 18th from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. And the price point on this one, it's a good price, is $1,498,888. That's a great property, so you might want to stop by during that open house. Then we're getting ready. I'm talking to the sellers, and we're getting things rolling along. A 1971 Camargo Drive in San Jose. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square foot with an ADU. That's an additional dwelling unit in the back of 300 square feet. Haven't set a price on that one yet. The tenants move out. I think it's March 1st, so I'll be able to update you then on a price and when we're going to be marketing that property. And I do have 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas. That's hopefully coming up pretty soon. The sellers have been working very hard at getting moved out, getting to their new home back east. It's a Hillcrest home, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2150 square feet. I am going to go ahead and we're going to freshen up with paint, new flooring, and then do some landscaping. But we've got that priced at 2.2. So I'm really looking forward to getting that one exposed and get that on the market for you. And then another coming soon, and we've got the dates listed for this one, 871 Beaver Creek Way in San Jose. It's a 5-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse. Let me get this right. It's 1,544 square feet. Really cute unit. It's an end unit. It's got a private patio, a 2-car garage. It's been remodeled, and I get the key on March 3rd. We're going to just clean it up, stage it, and it should be ready to go right after that. So look forward to that. That price point on that one is $998,888. So I'll be talking to you about an open house on that property. So hopefully I'll see you at one of my open houses this month in February. Give me a call at 408-945-8988 if you want more information about any of these properties, or if you want to get your home ready, we'll get it on the market, show it in an open house, get lots of offers. It's a great market. Give me a call. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.